Namaskar, friends. Cinema is not just entertainment, it's a memory, truth, and mirror to history. Some stories remain silence for decades, and some silence cannot erase pain. आज हम लोग एक ऐसा इतिहास के पर्दे उठाने जा रहा हूँ जिसमें खून, आंसू और दर्द के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं था. Let's talk about Great Calcutta Riots, which shook Bengal in 1946. The street of Calcutta turned into battlefields. Hindus were hunted down, butchered, and slaughtered in broad daylight. Innocent men, women, and children were torn apart only because of their identity of being Hindu. Entire families were wiped out in hours. और वो लोग ऐसे मर गए जैसे उनकी लाश उठाने के लिए भी कोई सफाई वाला नहीं था. The year was filled with smell of blood and the cries of helpless mothers and children echoed for every corner. Yeah, we are talking about the Great Calcutta Riots, guys. Even there is a movie called Bengal Files. I will definitely say to everyone to watch this movie. This is not just between Hindu Muslim. This is not just between our politics. This is about humanity, guys. You should know about the history. How our forefathers, how the people have fought to get a place. At that time, Bengal Chief Minister Hussein Shwaravadi made a decision that shook the humanity. He instructed that every police station should remove Hindu police officers. Can you imagine? The very protectors who were supposed to maintain peace were stripped of their duties. The law collapsed. Justice was silenced. The message was clear. Hindus had no one to turn to, and not even the state. But the history is not just about pain, it's also about the courage. And in those dark days, a hero emerged. You know what his name was? His name was Gopal Chandra Mukherjee, whom Bengal remembers as Gopal Patha. He was the one who stand for those people who are getting killed, who are getting butchered, who are slaughtered. When the system betrayed, when the police turned their backs, and when the government shut his eyes, Gopal Patha stood up with unshakable courage, and he and his men became the shield of thousands of Hindus. He fought not with the power of politics but with the power of faith and determination, guys. He stood like a wall between life and death, saving countless lives. You know what? Everyone should know these histories. If you can watch such scripted love stories, such Gen Z love stories, guys, I will always tell you, I will always suggest you to watch this history movies, historical movies. It will help you. It will not only help you to know about what history is, it will also help you for the knowledge. Friends, this is a history that was hidden, and this is the truth that was buried. The Bengal File brings that truth back to light. I really want every Bengal people, all Bengalis, not only Bengalis, all Hindus, every people of Bengal, not only Hindus, every people of Bengal should know how our forefathers fought for that place. This movie is not just a film, it's a voice for the silenced souls. It is a remember of the forgotten truth of Bengal. It is a tribute for the sacrifices, to the tears and the spirit of survivals. So let's watch it. Not just a movie, it's a history unfold our eyes. The Bengal Files, because some wound of history must never be forgotten. Namaskar.